Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on WebTech Zone. In this video tutorial, we are going to learn how to add signature in Google Docs. Okay, so before we starting, I request you if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So guys, without time wasting, let's go on my Google Drive. So here you can open the Google Docs from here, or you can take the new Google Docs, or you can find out your saved Google Docs file here, or you can just filter in only Docs. So your all docs file will be open. Okay, first you need to log in with your Google Drive. Okay, so if I take this file, okay, I take this file, so it will be open in Google Docs. Okay, so here if I want to add my signature, like thanks and regards Netcast Web Tech Zone. Okay, so between, okay, in this space I want to add my signature. So just keep the, so that you need to keep the cursor here, just click here, then cursor will be here. Now go to the insert and go to the drawing, come to the new, and here you can see the one pop-up window will be open. Then you need, now you have to draw here your signature. Before that you have to click here in this tiny arrow and select the scribble, and now you can add the signature. Okay, so just hold your left button of your mouse and you can write the signature. Okay, after that just click save and close. Then this signature will be inside here, just click on it, and now you can resize it as per your requirement. So I just resize it as per my requirement, and it is added to my Google Docs. Now I can share it to whenever you want. Okay, so that is how. Or if you don't find useful this method, then you can go to the Google and type here online signature. You will see lots of option here. So just click on free online signature and click draw signature here, and now you can choose the color of signature. So I choose only black. Now I can write the signature here. Now I can save it, and it will be saved as a, if you want to save in transparent background, you can save as a transparent background, or you can download it. And after download, just open it, or just show the okay, click and open it. Okay, so it will be open. Now just copy, and let's see, it will be now just come here, delete it first, just paste Control and V, and this signature will be pasted here, and you can see this signature has been pasted here. Now you can use this signature as a transparent. Okay, so there is another option you can use. You click, you can signature on blank paper physically, and you can click the photos, and you can share the photos on your Google Drive, then download your photos from Google Drive, and you can paste this on, Google Docs, and you can crop this signature, original signature as per requirement, and you can just move it like this. You can move like this. Okay, if you want to move on, on text, you have to click on this option which is in front of text, and you can move on text only. So guys, I hope you like this video. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.